Hi, dear children. Welcome to our GK class. I hope you all are fine and safe, right, children? Okay, shall we start our session with prayer? All of you sit straight, close your eyes, join your hands, and start praying to thank God to give this wonderful opportunity for learning. Asato ma sadgamaya तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. All of you slowly open your eyes. Okay children, in this session we are going to see about the topic traditional games. Games you can play. Traditional games not only entertain us but also improve our physical and mental health. These games are slowly fading away because children have replaced them with video and computer games, leading to an unhealthy lifestyles. So traditional games means the games within the society that the people have played for many years. These games have a rich culture and heritage value. So these games have some characteristics. So what are the characteristics of traditional games? So mainly it is locally organized, have a few rules. The rules are not written and enforced, and it controlled by the player rather than the referee. Okay. So traditional games were not a just game, they have many benefits because the game generally involving running, jumping and some other kind of physical activities. Okay, so let's see what are the benefits of traditional games. So traditional games improve coordination, problem solving skill and also enhance multitasking skills and also enhances memory and brain speed, and also it is a great source of learning. So these are the benefits of traditional games. So in our India many states are there, so each state having traditional games. Here we are going to see some of the traditional games of India. Okay, so the first one, Antakshari. This is a very popular and well known game. So Antakshari is a singing game played between two or more individuals or team. The players sing a few lines of any popular song and the opponent then sing a song that begin with the last letter of the previous song. So I think you all are played this game, no? Okay. So the next game, Poshampa. So Poshampa is a game in which two people stand with their hands locked together above their heads and sing a song. The other kids pass from the under the bridge, and the one who get catched when the hands come down like a cage at the end of the song is out. So the next game, Seven Stones. Seven stones is played between two teams. The piles of seven stones is stacked up by one team. The other team then makes a pile fall by hitting with the ball. Now the objective of the first team is to pile up the stones while the opponent team blocks them from building the stack by hitting with the ball. Okay, the next one is hide and seek. So this game is very popular and we all are well known about this game. This is a timeless game that children across generation enjoy. In this game, one player has to close his eyes for a short period of time and count a pre-agreed series of the numbers while other players hides. Okay, so the seeker then open his eyes and try to find the others. The first one found is the next seeker. I think you all are play this game, no? So this is a very well known game and very popular game. Okay, so the next game, Dopkal. Dopkal, a game popular in Assam, is similar to Kabaddi. So Kabaddi is played in Tamil Nadu and the Dopkal is popular in Assam. Dopkal is a name given to the rubber ball that the two teams throw across a central line into each other's court. Each team Send a player into the opponent's court. The aim is to get the ball back to the team without allowing the opponents to touch him to earn points. So children, in this class we have seen about Antakshari, Pushampa, Seven Stones, Hide and Seek and Dobkal. So your today's homework, write 4 points about the game you like most that you have seen in today's class. Have you got it, children? Okay. So children, avoid your mobile phone, tab or any other gadgets item after the session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables, and also stay home, stay safe, save lives. We will meet in the next session. Bye. Thank you.